Are electrical certificates allowable for tax purposes? Hi, I'm Kimberly Shapcotts, qualified chartered accountant, property investor and entrepreneur. Let's sit down and have a chat. Can you believe it that we are now past 5 years since the introduction of the electrical certificate that was required for all landlords? Now, as of the 1st of June 2020, all landlords were required to get an electrical installation certificate to check that everything electric in the property, as well as our normal gas certificates, was safe and working, and there was no risk to harm of your tenants. That came in from the 1st of June 2020, and those certificates lasted for 5 years. So we're now in 2025, and in 2025 we're 5 years past it. So the first thing I'm going to say in this video is remember that we've hit the 5 years, and remember to get your renewal done and make sure you get your certificate booked in. Following on from that is, what are those allowable? And the answer from all points of view, from an individual point of view, from a limited company point of view, these are allowable expenses. So the work of getting the certification, that is allowable for tax purposes and will be again an expense against your income. Now, unfortunately, as I well know from some of my projects, every time you get one of these certificates, there's always a little niggle somewhere, whether it be a socket that is not working properly and it needs replacing, whether it be there's significant electrical issues and you end up having to have a full rewire. So the next question, probably leading on from your electrical certificate, is, well, what about the works that are being done? Are they allowable for tax purposes? Where do they fit? So on the basis that hopefully most of this is going to be repair work, this is all going to be allowable against your income. So as an income tax or in your personal name, you're going to be doing this against your rental income. It's not a capital expense, it's going to be repairs. So that'll help reduce your personal tax income, your overall rental profits. And in a company, same sort of thing. It's going to be against your rental income in your profit and loss account, and it's going to reduce your corporation tax. The only thing to watch is if it does get to the point of being a capital expense, then it may fall within either capital gains or onto the balance sheet in your limited company accounts, and you're waiting till you sell the property before you can get the tax relief on it. Now, the majority of cases in this sort of area are probably going to be repairs. But if you are needing a whole new rewire and there's more significant things, and then you're also adding extras on, and it's probably the adding extras on that you're wanting to put new things in and improve what you've already got, it's at that point that it's going into the realms of capital expenses. So if you have got an extension and you're putting new wiring in and new things, that is probably going to be down the capital route. A normal rewire of an existing property is likely to be a repair, because you're having to do it to maintain your standards and make sure you're addressing minimum electrical requirements. So finishing off this very short reminder video, and hopefully useful thing just to make sure you're aware, is that if you don't have a valid electrical certificate, then there can be fines of up to £30,000, as well as the fact that your insurance becomes invalid, which obviously is quite a significant impact, especially if you have a fire or some sort of damage because of it. Then you'll no longer be able to claim on your insurance, and that cost will be additional cost to you as the landlord, whether it be in a company or in your own name. So one final thing, remember to get your electrical certificate renewal. Remember, you can claim these expenses, and hopefully it's not too big an upheaval for your tenants, for you, and the cost is not too significant on any additional works that may be required. Hopefully today you've had a good reminder about when you need to be doing your electrical certificate and how it works from a tax perspective. If you have any questions, then please do leave a comment. Please like the video and do subscribe to the channel, and let's make tax less taxing. less taxes.